Hi, this is the instructional video how to mount the RABBIT-EARS system onto the ARRI Skypanel S60. This is very simple, therefore you need the rectangular RABBIT-EAR. Over there you can adjust the adapters. You just open it with the screws and then you can slide the RABBIT-EARS on this position. It's quite simple. You just open the filter slot and slide in the RABBIT-EAR. Don't forget to lock it. This is important that it cannot fall out. You open the RABBIT-EARS and now it's your choice which kind of SNAPBAG you want to mount on your ARRI Skypanel S60.